Welcome to JH. Today, we will explore how to view Microsoft Planner tasks within Outlook by integrating the two platforms. We will cover this process step by step so you can successfully bring your tasks into your Outlook calendar in just a few minutes. To start, you must log into your Microsoft 365 account. Open your web browser and go to the Microsoft 365 sign-in page. Enter your credentials to access your account. Once you have logged in, you will be on the home page where all your Office applications are listed. Next, find the Planner app among the available icons and click to open it. Planner is a powerful tool for managing tasks, whether for team projects or personal productivity. Once the application opens, look at the left-hand panel for the My Plans option and click it. This will show every plan you have created or joined. Select the specific plan you want to integrate with your Outlook calendar by clicking on it. Make sure this is the correct plan containing the tasks you want to monitor. After opening your plan, look at the top of the screen for a drop-down menu. Click this menu to reveal additional options and select Add Plan to Outlook Calendar. This action starts the integration of your tasks into your calendar, allowing you to manage everything in one place. Now, click the option labeled Publish, Share with Anyone. This is a vital step because it enables the sharing of your schedule so it can appear in Outlook. If a confirmation or settings window pops up, simply approve it to continue. Finally, you are ready to officially add the plan to Outlook. With one last click, you can make your plan schedule visible. This setup is perfect for anyone who prefers a centralized view of their tasks and deadlines. By following these steps, you will enjoy a more streamlined workflow with your planner tasks appearing directly in your Outlook calendar. This keeps you on top of your schedule with minimal effort. Thanks for joining us, and I hope you find this integration helpful. Don't forget to explore other Microsoft Planner features to boost your productivity even further.